The Low Payment Kings have certified technicians and open service bays so we can satisfy you today. At most of our stores, we can give you a same-day diagnostic on your vehicle. Contact us today for all your maintenance, repairs, and recall needs. We can fix your recalls for free. We'd love to help you with all your maintenance repairs on all makes and models, courtesy of the Low Payment Kings. The Low Payment Kings are also very proud and excited to offer America's best full-size truck powertrain limited warranty. 10 years and 100,000 miles on most all 2026 Ram ProMaster vans and most all 2026 Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models, both gas and diesel. Yes, 10 years, 100,000 miles when you see the Low Payment Kings. The Low Payment Kings are also very proud and excited to announce that the Dodge Charger has been named North American Car of the Year. That's right. Check out this exciting new ride, North American Car of the Year, the all-new 2026 Dodge Charger. Come join the Low Payment Kings for an exciting test drive soon. The Low Payment Kings are also very proud and excited to announce that 2 of our 3 models nominated for North American Truck of the Year were Ram models. Ram 1500 Hemi and Ram 2500 were 2 of the 3 finalists for North American Truck of the Year, and we've also won several Motor Trend Truck of the Year awards over the last decade. So come test drive these award-winning models at the home of the Low Payment Kings soon so we can get you satisfied. We got a great selection of new and used trucks, vans, and SUVs. We got regular cabs, crew cabs, mega cabs, quad cabs, gas and diesel. Come see the Low Payment Kings so we can satisfy you soon. And remember, you can save up to $21,171 on select new models when you see the Low Payment Kings.